how to connect Chatgpt to Make.com. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Chatgpt to Make.com for automating workflows and enhancing your processes with AI. To get started, log into your Make.com account and create a new scenario. This will be the automation that integrates ChatGPT with other apps or processes. In Make, you'll need to search for and add the OpenAI or ChatGPT app to your scenario. Once added, you'll be prompted to connect your OpenAI account. If you don't have an API key, go to the OpenAI website, create an account if needed, and retrieve your API key from the API settings. Paste this key into make.com to establish the connection. Next, configure the specific actions you want ChatGPT to perform. For instance, you can use it to generate responses to user queries, summarize text, or even help automate content creation. Make.com allows you to set up triggers such as when a new email arrives or actions like sending a message via Slack. And that's how you connect ChatGPT to Make.com.